So as we move on with the build, the next pieces here are transistors. So there should be some NPN and some PNP, and I've pulled those out. He bagged these, which is really nice. Really nice. Really appreciate that level of detail. So there should be 5 NPNs, and I see 5 here. If I can get the little bag open. I see 2N4124. I'm going to verify they all are 4124, 4124, 4124, and 4124. Excellent. And really now it's just a matter of installing. So Q11 is up here. I've already spotted that position. Let's see if we can get him to go in. The silk screen indicates the orientation. I'm going to solder up one leg. And then we'll look at all these for squareness and position and finish them. But that'll keep it from shifting around. That was Q11. Q10 is right next to it. Right here. Q10. Q1, 2, and 7. There's Q1 and 2. So here's 2. And it's got 1 below it. The leads on 1 are a little bit kind of messed up. I think I read someplace that they have done the work to create balanced pairs here. Maybe I read that. Gonna hit 1 lead on each of these. That's Q1 and 2. And the last one is Q. Oh, there it is. Okay. It just took quite a while to spot it. Q7. Lengthwise, those look about the same. Now what I'm going to do here is kind of try to square them up. That one's still floating? It is. I soldered 2 pins on the other one and didn't solder a pin on him. Come on, take solder. I kind of want to get them all kind of the same orientation, kind of all kind of twisted the same way. That looks pretty overall close. I'll come back and trim leads in a minute. I'll do that off camera. So that gets all of the NPNs in place. I'll do the PNPs off camera, but in this video I also wanted to tackle the pots. So we'll do that now. We've got 102 should be 1K. 1 0 followed by 2 zeros. That should be 1,000 ohms. All 3 of these should be 1,000, and it calls for 3. And these blue ones should hopefully be 10K. 103 and 103. So the 103s or R13 and R14. And let's put in the, so 1K is at 18, 21, 24, 18, 21, 24. These have the bent crimps in the pins, so they kind of snap in place, which is nice. That's what kept them all consistent height and orientation once they were in the board. And we've got two more, so there's one there. And one there, DAC tune R13. So let's see, we've got him, and him in. Q7 was put in. So R13 and 42. 13 is right here, and the same thing. The pins are bent. It should just snap down into the board. Is it level? I guess it is. Pins have not snapped through. Are they going to, or are they too big for the holes? Nope, that is not going to snap in. So let's see what I can do here. Maybe if I flatten these a bit, take that little bit of crimp out of them. There's a shoulder that will set the height. The question is, are the pins too big for the holes on the PCB? Well, that was difficult to get into place. Yeah, the drill holes in the PCB are a little bit small for these. I guess I could have drilled bigger holes. There's plenty of copper to do that. Well, they're both on and flush. And we've got one here. And there was one sitting there. So with that, I think we'll wrap this one up here. See, I'll finish the other transistors off camera. I'll see you in the next video.